Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on Apache Drill, a powerful tool for interactive analysis of complex data sources. In this video, we will explore how to set up Apache Drill, execute queries, and perform interactive data analysis. Whether you're a data analyst, software engineer, or just someone curious about handling big data, this guide is for you. Let's start by understanding what Apache Drill is. Apache Drill is an open-source SQL query engine that allows you to query data from multiple sources without the need for specific schema definitions. This means you can conduct interactive analysis on structured and semi-structured data with ease. Before we dive into the coding part, we need to install Apache Drill and set it up. You can download Drill from the Apache Drill official website. Once downloaded, you'll have different ways to run Drill, such as in a standalone mode or via distribution packaging like a Docker container. To install Apache Drill in standalone mode, follow these steps. First, unzip the downloaded file. Open your terminal, navigate to the Drill directory, and start Drill by executing the following command. If the installation is successful, you should see output indicating that the Drill server has started. Now, let's open the Drill web console, which you can access at http://localhost 8047. In the Drill web console, you can run queries, manage storage plugins, and view your query execution results. Let's start by exploring the existing sample data provided by Drill. Apache Drill comes with a variety of datasets included for you to practice querying. To view the available datasets, navigate to the Query tab in the web console. You will see sample datasets such as CP. This data source includes CSV files that are perfect for our interactive analysis. Let's execute our first query. We will retrieve a list of available datasets using the following SQL command. This command will fetch the first 10 entries from your specified CSV file. Make sure to adjust the path accordingly to your local files. Now, robust SQL querying is one of Drill's strengths because it allows you to execute the same complex queries you would use in a traditional RDBMS. Next, let's use the Drill web console to analyze a specific dataset in more detail. We can apply filters and sorts to get a clearer picture of the data. The above query retrieves specific columns from the dataset where the values in column 3 are greater than 100 and sorts the results by column 1 in descending order. By refining our queries, we can drill down into the data. Apache Drill also supports an impressive array of data formats, including JSON, Parquet, and Avro. Imagine you have a JSON file and you wish to analyze it. Here's how you can accomplish that. In the above command, make sure to replace the path with your actual JSON file location. Drill will parse the JSON file on the fly, letting you perform analysis without any prior schema definition. Sometimes, joining data from multiple sources is essential for effective analysis. Let's consider you have another CSV file and you want to join it with the previous one to get more insights. Here's how you can do that. This query demonstrates how to join two datasets using a common column. Drill automatically figures out the schema of both datasets. Now that we have covered basic querying, let's talk about how to make our analysis more efficient with options like filtering and aggregation. For instance, if we want to summarize data, we can use the following query to calculate the average value of a particular column. This command computes the average of column underthunk in the specified CSV file. You can use similar aggregate functions such as count, sum, min, and max to get different insights from your data. Another powerful feature of Drill is its capability to create temporary views. This allows you to simplify complex queries by breaking them into manageable parts. For instance, we could create a temporary view like so. You can now perform queries on temp_table as if it were a regular table, making your SQL queries cleaner and easier to understand. For example, as we progress through our data analysis journey, performance becomes a key consideration. Drill is optimized for better performance with its ability to execute queries in a distributed manner, taking advantage of multiple cores and nodes in a cluster setup. However, if you're using a standalone instance, you still have a lot of capabilities to optimize performance by restructuring your queries strategically. You can also explore advanced topics such as partitioning and indexing when it comes to querying larger datasets. This can significantly improve query performance. However, for simpler analyses and smaller datasets, Drill's on-the-fly capabilities might suffice. What about dealing with large volumes of data? If your datasets are substantial, it may be beneficial to save intermediate results into a temporary storage solution. For example, producing a Parquet file after summarizing your data. This command would create a new Parquet file with your output, letting you manage large datasets more effectively and ensuring smoother queries in future analyses. Now you might wonder about security and access control while using Apache Drill, especially when pulling data from various databases and data lakes. Drill integrates with various authentication providers. The access control can be managed at a higher level considering the different data sources. In the context of real projects, often multiple teams work together, and securing your data and queries becomes a priority. Make sure to configure your Drill settings carefully to protect sensitive data. To sum it up, Apache Drill is an excellent tool for interactive data analysis because it offers flexibility, supports various data formats, and has an intuitive SQL interface. You can unravel insights without spending too much time on data preparation. As you become more comfortable with Drill, consider joining the Apache Drill community. Participating in forums and contributing to discussions will not only help you learn, but also keep you updated on the latest features and best practices. In this video, we have covered the essentials for getting started with Apache Drill, including installation, querying datasets, performing joins, creating views, and considering performance optimizations. Remember, the key to mastering interactive data analysis is practice. Try out the examples shared in this tutorial and explore more complex queries on your datasets. Thank you for watching our tutorial on Apache Drill. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who would benefit, and subscribe for more tutorials on data analysis and programming topics. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and I'll be happy to engage with you.